It is, what time is it?
Hold on. I got you.
Early.
6:58.
In the AM.
In the AM.
And I am sister hungry. Also
I'm
sister
sister
cranky.
starved.
Wow, that was a
Sister
good
starved. I know. You have to use the S.
Sister slut.
Okay. my makeup is funny. I still have makeup on the
Just
back of
smile.
my hair. It's like,
We've been here for about 5 minutes and I'm already sister over it. So we're a little sister confused because I don't know what I'm in line for.
I'm sister pissed off. Completely honest. How are we gonna carry it?
Well, now we have food, so now I'm not that
now
mad.
we're living life lavishly, but
But the thing is, I still don't know what we're doing,
so
and
that's the problem.
we're gonna
here.
figure it out so I know if I can sister stay or sister go.
Sister go sleep or sister. Fans are crowding Priscilla. As we speak.
We've been here for what, like
3
hours now? No, 2. It's probably like 8.
Two.
Been here for 2 hours now.
The big quattro.
James Charles is still at his house. We already saw
in
that.
LA. So joke's on everyone here that's saying, oh,
Yeah, everyone got up and I was like, ooh, sister, sit your ass down.
Oh my god. Someone save me.
send you mine.
Oh yeah, do that.
Okay, little story time, everyone. So
That was awful.
we go to the James Charles meet and greet shit.
What
Get
time is
there.
it?
Get there at 6 a.m.
Been there for 5 hours.
Been there for 5 hours,
My
waiting
toes are
in line.
still frozen.
Waiting in line. They finally get here at like 10:20. Get out of the bus.
Yeah.
Everyone goes crazy. Whatever.
There's no control, no organization, nothing. We left general admission. Everyone's screaming. Kids are crying.
This bitch pushed me.
Like 5 times.
There's no control over the whole thing. There's like, it's like random how you get selected. So whether you're there from 4 in the fucking morning,
People
or
came in at 11 in
late,
the morning and
and
still, won.
still get to go inside and meet him.
And they did not do anything. They were so rude.
Yeah.
The
Ulta
entire
was
time.
rude.
Ulta
People
yeah.
are like
Yeah.
bugging them for passing. They're like, okay, here you go. Like, why would you not give it to people that have been waiting all morning?
Yeah, the line was pointless.
Like, there's
So
no point
pointless.
of coming early for nothing.
Only good thing is that Allie got to meet James Charles.
And Allie's in there right now.
Well, now we get to go work for 9 hours.
Now we get to go work for 9 hours, but this event was shit.
And Makeup by Pris was here and no one even
And
knew.
Makeup by Pris was here and no one even knew. What the fuck?
It's
And
fine.
Laura, honestly, Laura was here.
I love her.
We love them and
Love
We
them.
love
thanks for
them.
coming to our town.
Thanks for coming to our town with our
But
shitty
next
Ulta
time we'll go
workers.
to LA. It's fine. I'll
Yes.
travel
Yeah.
Yes.
to never go through this again.
Because I bet you the Ulta in LA would have it way more fucking organized.
Yeah, and I'm sure they're nicer because they're mostly gay.
Plus, no.
All the kids were really smelly here.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, for following the whole morning. I hope you enjoyed my
hope you
makeup
were
tutorial
excited.
in the beginning. Mine was in the beginning, but
Mine wasn't.
I
I
hope
didn't
you were
do
excited for us to meet him, but we didn't fucking meet him or get a video inside or anything. So
I saw them though. You'll see that in our
but
videos.
hey, okay, let's look at the positive. We kickstarted our vlog channel.
Yes.
We got to have James on our vlog because we saw him
Love
for a
him.
little bit. We get Panera.
We have
We
great
had
stories.
We had Chick-fil-A in the morning,
true.
and I mean that's all I can think about.
There's nothing
and
else.
we
all
had donuts.
bonded. Oh.
ID or anything. It was just
Oh,
like, whoever
okay.
the fuck gets a ticket, you get a ticket.
Here is the
Like,
moral of the story: don't ever go to an event that's free.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yes, that is why.
Pay for it. It's worth it.
Yes, if we would have had to pay like
Yeah.
$50 to get in,
I would have
like,
done it.
I would have done it.
100%. I would have paid 100. No, I'm broke.
I would have paid.
I would have
like,
paid. Yeah, I would have
75.
paid.
Like I would have paid money to get in. But how you gonna say, oh, you're gonna win a scratcher? First of all, you just fucking handed them out to random ass kids.
Yeah, they
They're
got
big,
here.
dude.
Didn't
Yeah.
even win a scratcher. And then they're like, oh, general admission's over there where the line started. They've been here since like 4 a.m. I'm like,
I've been here since
we've been
6
here
a.m.
since 6 a.m. And the people that were in the back of the line are now in the front of the line. That's been here since 4. Like,
Yeah. I'm like, bull.
okay, well, more of the story. Don't go to free events, and we'll see you at lunch.
Thank you.